you guys, welcome to Vlogmas day number 18, I think it is. The dogs are outside right now. I believe my video for that is supposed to go up today just got uploaded. I think so. I woke up at like 5:30 this morning because Bella had to go to the bathroom. So I woke up and then I started to edit the vlog for today. It's a really short vlog. It's only, I think, like 8 minutes long, if that. But regardless, it's going up today. So I got that done. I'm gonna bring the dogs inside and then I want to get cleaning the beauty room because I need to get this cleaned. I have some videos I have to film and I want to get them done in the next few days. I want to get them done before Christmas. What time is it? It's 7:30 in the morning. I'm the only person awake besides the dogs. So yeah, I thought, what a better time to clean the beauty room because Bella won't let me sleep. She was like biting my arm this morning. I don't think you can see, but yeah, she was biting my arm. But I hear the dogs, they want to come in, so I'm gonna let the dogs in and then we're gonna clean the beauty room. Finally. I've been saying it for like, it feels like a week or longer, but today's the day the beauty room will be cleaned. Hopefully. So I got some of the beauty room cleaned. I can't show behind me because there's some Christmas presents back there of the kids' and I don't want them to see. So I thought I was going to be able to clean my beauty room all up, but I just got a call from my dad saying that he's ready to make sausage or finish stuffing the sausage right now. It is 8 o'clock, so I'm thinking I'm going to go up there, get the sausage done, so then I can get back here in time to take Nico to his practice. And then after that, it's going to be like kind of going fast because Maria also has to go to her friend's party. So we have to drop her off. And yeah, it's going to be quite crazy. And then I have to get the kids to practice their parts before Christmas play rehearsal tonight. So I'm gonna get changed and go up to my parents' house and get the sausage done. Door. We are off to make some Christmas sausage. Actually, the Christmas sausage is made. We just gotta stuff it. Oops, you guys are gonna be falling. So yeah, we're just gonna stuff the sausage. Chris is not feeling good today. He's actually like, he's warm. And he said that his head and like stomach and everything isn't feeling good. I am at my parents' house and now I think my mom is gone because she had to go to my brother's daughter's dance recital. We were going to go, but Nico had practice today, basketball practice today. So we weren't able to make it because we would go to her recital and then have to leave after like 20 minutes, and we don't even know if we'd be able to see her perform or not because, yeah, so whatever. So my mom is at my brother's daughter's dance recital right now. My dad's in the house. I have to go help him stuff some sausage. It is 8:30, so hopefully we can have this done in an hour. I'm really hoping. 1 hour we can have this all done. Right now, let's go stuff some sausage. Okay, so we just got done. We took Nico to basketball practice, and then we took Maria to her friend's Christmas party, and now we just got Nico, and we're gonna head over to Walmart. Abby has to pick up a couple gifts, and then we have to pick up groceries, and then we're gonna take that home. And then we have a couple more things we gotta do before we go to Christmas play practice, which is at 3 o'clock.
I'm recording you. Oh, wow.
We're back home now. Nico had practice, and then Maria had to go to a Christmas party, and then we went back to pick Nico up, went and got groceries, dropped the groceries off at home, and then we had to run and pick Maria up and then go to Christmas play rehearsal. I did not get any of the rehearsal on camera because it was really crazy there. There was just a lot of kids, and yeah. So right now we're back home. It is 7:20. I need to clean up the kitchen, and then I have to start making some sugar cookies because my cousin is coming over tomorrow with her kids, and we're gonna decorate sugar cookies. So I'm gonna clean the kitchen up, and then we're gonna make some cookies.
Everything glistens and everything's bright. Everyone's happy and spirits are light. I am sitting here thinking, alone with my drink, as I do this time of the year. Do you remember when love was around, when we were aglow, the talk of the town? When I'm sitting here drinking, I can't help but think about you, about us, as I do this time of the year.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes.
So the cookie dough is in the refrigerator. It has to chill for an hour. It's 9 o'clock right now, so 10 o'clock I can take the cookie dough out. In the meantime, we're gonna clean up this kitchen. It's actually not that bad compared to what it usually looks like, but we need to get it cleaned up. So let's clean that now. So I just got done making the cookie dough and I made the frosting. The cookie dough could technically get out. I could take it out of the refrigerator right now and start cutting out the cookies and baking them, but I'm tired, so I'm gonna go to bed. So this is... Yes, I am. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Tomorrow, I have to get my beauty room cleaned. That is like one of the #1 things I have to do. So I'm gonna do that. We're gonna decorate some cookies and I'm not sure what else we're gonna do. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.